Hey, this is Steve, PennsylvaniaTrapper.com. Day after our snowfall, yesterday morning we checked, everything was fine. So this morning, Thanksgiving morning, we come out. I walked down here without the camera, and we have coyote tracks here. We have a set here, comes right down to there. There's the pipe, and I'm going to clean my trap off here and so forth, but that's how far out it stopped. The coyote stopped before he made his turn and continued on down through. And then we have another one, so I'm not sure if there was 3 of them here, if this one was just waddling around in a circle, but anyhow, here we are, and we'll clean the snow off of this, and maybe the next time through they'll check it out a little closer and so forth. So you can see there's the tracks of the coyote are right here. There's my all-in-one pipe system, and the trap's about 18 inches back, but that coyote's probably back 2.5 to 3 feet. Alright, well, we'll get this one cleaned off and keep on checking. Okay, I got my trap uncovered. Again, there's my all-in-one. And right here is my trap. The coyote tracks were back here. So I'm about 18 inches away from where that coyote stopped. And I'm back, I thought, about 18 inches from the all-in-one pipe. So snow helps you. But seeing I only have a couple of days and I'm going to have to pull these because of deer season, I'm not going to move the trap back any further on and so forth, but I'll use that for future reference. Alright, we're going to check on these other ones. Alright, over here is right there is my all-in-one set. Lure bait holder. Trap's out in here. As you can see, the snow area I covered away, or cleared away from around that. Saw that on a coyote snow trapping DVD by Dan Freeburg from Northwest Pennsylvania, up in the snow belt. So that's what we do. We try to clear a big area around where our set is. Okay, here's my next set. This is all deer tracks around this. I think the deer were smelling the lure. They must like that Boss Dog and Federales from Predator Control Group. But we're going to clean this one up here or out too and so forth. But yeah, all tracked up with deer tracks. Okay, my sets, here's my all-in-one bait lure holder trap stake. Traps down in here. We got all these tracks around here. Looks like a combination of coyote and fox tracks. They just went up to right in there. They didn't get down real close, but there's where all the tracks around here. Move that way. That way. So this first set, Coyote tracks. My last set, both Coyote and, like I said, from what I can tell, I think it's both Coyote and Fox. It might be just Coyote because it's looks like he might have been out early last night when it stopped snowing and it sort of melted some and what have you or whatever. But